How to use AI auto edit in Lightcut. Want to edit videos quickly without spending hours? Lightcut's AI auto edit can do it for you. First, open your project and tap AI auto edit at the bottom. Select the clips you want to include, choose a theme or style, and let the AI automatically trim, arrange, and add transitions for you. Once it finishes, preview the result and make small adjustments to text, music, or effects if needed. AI auto edit works best with well shot clips. Clear and stable footage helps the AI create smoother edits. Have you tried AI editing before? Share your experience in the comments below. And that's how you can use AI auto edit in Lightcut. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.